200. Rally car. Left hand drive one. Looks like it's been to a few Goodwood festivals. Seen all the Goodwood stickers in the back end.